Right now, we're seeing an intriguing sentiment score of plus 0.34 for renewable energy, but what's really striking is the momentum drop of minus 0.45 over the past 24 hours. This isn't just noise, it suggests a potential shift in how sentiment around renewable energy is evolving, especially given the 18 semantic clusters we're analyzing. You can use our API to grab this data and understand the underlying trends shaping public perception, which can help you make informed decisions in your projects. For instance, if you're developing a trading algorithm, this sentiment shift could signal a good entry point for investment in renewable energy stocks. Dive deeper into the data with us at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's unlock the potential of renewable energy sentiment together.